Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about alerts in our Gauge Plus Taiko. Here alerts is nothing but there are multiple different type of alerts and that we are discussing for JavaScript alerts. This is basically one small kind of pop-up like when you click something button or label or somewhere, then that particular pop-up will open some image. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay, this kind of thing. Okay, it will accept for okay, and it will some pop-ups will come for okay and cancel. Some will come from the text box with the confirmation. Okay, this kind of pop-ups will alerts we have. This alerts how we can able to handle our gauge. Okay, this is basically gauge will not we have old documentation here. Okay, this is when you search, right? When you come into the gauge documentation location, there is a down, it is there. Okay, if you here directly we don't have any alert message handles. Okay, because of that we are going to for alert section. Okay, that is the techo documentation section. If you are search for here alert and there is a confirmation, alert and confirmation, alert having for document. Okay, and here accept is working perfectly and dismiss is not working as expected because there is a some callback function it is calling, and there is another one is confirm. Okay, confirm also one kind of thing that is also like alert acceptance. This is a newly built one, it is working as expected, you can able to get perfectly for that. Okay, accept and dismiss and you can able to send the information into that as well. Okay, confirmation you have to take. Alert is not working because it is a old version and still that old version is not completely not removed, but still the documentation is presented, but remove alert is not working as expected, you have to take as a confirm alert. Okay, based upon that I'm going to create one file tc05 alerts.aspec. Okay, based upon here what exactly it is there we can able to use it. Okay, hash alerts demo verifying all alert messages. Okay, now first I'll open JavaScript alert page. Okay, and second I'm going to click for demo accept alert. Okay, demo accept alert. Now I'll create four file here, and here I'm going to use for alerts underscore step dot js file. Okay, and here we can use for use strict. Okay, and then constant we can use for go to first. Okay, then I'm going to use for wait for because we need to wait some information purpose. Okay, remaining things we can do one by one. Okay, require takeoff. Okay, now you can use for constant assert. Okay, now my first message is to open JavaScript page. Okay, step async function. Okay, here we need to use for way to go to. Okay, this is my alert location. Okay, and then I need to go to for demoing that. Okay, this is the one. Okay, I'll copy demo accept. Okay, now we are in here. Now this one we need to identify first before clicking this alerts, right? If you write any code after clicking, right, it will not work out for alerts. Okay, before that only we had to capture. Okay, for that we can able to use for confirm async. First I'll do for accept only. I'll not do for anything. Okay, then I'm going to click my button because that is a button. Just I'm clicking. Okay, just I'm clicking and I'll wait for, we can see all the things. Wait for 2000 seconds to see the message whether it will be come or not. And I need to import this confirm as well. Okay, because confirm accept we have done into the import section. Okay, now I need to enter my file. Now I'm running. We can see that message will display here down. Oh, what happened? Alert API. Yeah. Oh, it is accepting for. Okay, it is asking to use for alert one. Okay, we can use for alert as well. We can see. Yeah, alert is working for that confirmation purpose. Okay. Now we are able to, sometimes it will do like that in case if you are able to see the message, which we have seen right in the past one, you can see right, this is the message it is showing. You can use for Taiko's alert API to handle for this pop-up. In case if your confirmation alert is not working as expected, then it will give you for this particular alert. Based upon that, you can choose. Okay. Confirm or alert. Both are the same one only. Okay. Now we'll do for demo dismiss alert. Still they are making for stability purpose. Maybe in the future we can see for one specific command to do for that. Okay. And we can do for confirm async. We can use for await dismiss alert. Okay. And then click confirmation alert. Okay. I'm not done for any validation. I will do the validation as well. The message also we can do. Yeah, both are passed and you can see both are got passed. Now we can see that messages we need to display. Okay, messages. For this, again, we need to get the message. We can able to use the curly braces. In the 11th line, alert is there at async, and here I'm going to use for there is a message information. Okay, this particular message, if you want to display which one, which message, if you click here, there is a I'm a JSON alert is there at that particular message we are going to print. Okay, console.log asset message. The similar format dismiss also because this is a different message, right? Both the messages will be displayed. Okay, but After clicking this confirmation, I need to verify. If you index, you can see, right, this is the one result set, and we can able to validate this message as well. Okay, we need to verify this accept, right? Constant result text we can use for dollar, sorry, dollar hash and the value, because it is a, we can use that message to verify you clicked successfully the message. Okay, similar format we need to do for here as well. Okay, and here once you click the cancel message will come under sit here. You clicked this one. Okay, now again I can use for constant result set, and you clicked for cancel. Okay, now we can run this one. Okay, dollar is not defined. Okay, sorry. See here, I'm a JSON alert. It came, and it is strict equal. Cannot define the strict equal. Why? Why it is not able to do for strictly equal? Because okay, we can remove this branch because only one it is there. We can see whether because of this or not. Required asset. Yes, that is a parenthesis issue, but it is passed now. You can see, right? Here I mentioned parenthesis that because of that it is not able to click, means not able to verify the strictly equal. Okay, now prompt demo, prompt alert, step, and we can use for prompt alert async function. Okay, now waiting for some time, and then we can this is a prompt. Okay, once you click here, there is a text box, it will come, right? That text box I have to enter. Okay, first we can see for alert, and then async and first we need to do the message, and then you have to write something. Okay, wait, and you can see, right, for writing or confirmation the some message purpose they are written. alert if they are returning something, we can find text. They have given example up to only for clicking accept and dismiss. They are not given any text to validate. We can see whether we can able to do or not. Instead of this, I can use for testing. Okay. Await, click button and then clicking. Okay. Now we can see whether we can able to enter the text or not. If it is succeeded, then we can validate the error message, success message as well. It is failed. What it is failed? You can use the Taiko's prompt API to handle. For this Taiko prompt API, we can go to search the prompt because that is a normal, and this is a prompt. Okay, prompt. For the prompt, they are mentioned. You have to use for the prompt. Okay. Here alert location we need to use for the prompt. Now again the prompt also we need to declare here. Okay. Now okay. And here is a prompt I mentioned and the message I have added, and we can see now. Now yes, it is working. See the prompt you have to search. Okay. Now if I provide here testing and okay, this is the text we have to validate. Okay. Now coming back to here, we can use for 2000 seconds and you enter for testing. Now if I run again, if it is success, then we are validated as a 100%, all the things. For the prompt, we have in the Java Selenium or Playwright or Cypress, we have for only for alert, right? Now here they are used for different alerts. In case if you face something issue, they will give you for the which particular concept you have to use. Based upon that, you can able to use it. Okay. This is all about for alerts. I hope it the entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.